Good morning class. This is the English Reader Primer book. Today we are going to learn some more sounds. Here you see page number 8. Here are lots of the sound. Here you see OW, OU, AW and AU sound. Today we are going to read and learn about OW sound. OW means O. CROWN, crown. COW, cow. OW sound was ow sound. CROWN, crown. COW, cow. POW, paw. SOW, saw. GROW, grow. TOWEL, towel. VOWL, vowel. DOWN, down. BOWL, bowl. And OWL, owl. Shall we start to write? Here you see. All you have to write firstly the number and then start. CROWN, crown. Second verse OWL, owl. COW, cow. BOWL, bowl. 5. POW, paw. 6. SOW, so. GROW, grow. TOWEL, towel. 9. BOWEL, vowel. And DOWN, down. Here are the 10 words with the sound OW. You all have to write it and remember it. Till then, see you. Goodbye.